Hi guys, so I'm gonna do the tutorial. So, ping, pak, boom, 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 pak, bing. Pero may easy step talaga lang. Yung gaganito mo lang, gano'n na, tapos bing. Easy peasy. Bing. 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 Easy. 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 May gagawin ako. Yan. Okay, so I'm gonna do some of my tricks. See this? See? It's a prank! What is it? Just let me find it. It's not on the floor. Then where is it, guys? Where is it? Like, yeah. Where is it? So guys, ito na lang muna ang kulay purple yung gagamitin ko as the kulay purple muna yung gagamitin ko. Ito ang kulay purple. Kanina block na. Pink, pak, boom, pak, pink. Haha, nakikita siya. Wait lang guys, tututumo mo na to. So wait na ako guys. Hi guys, I'm back. Oh, so I'm gonna find it somewhere. Really, kinda good. Hi. 166. Guys, sorry. Nawala. So, hanapin ko na lang. So, bye.